How to sign up on Whatnot. Whatnot is a live shopping app where people can buy and sell collectibles, fashion, tech, and more. So here is a step-by-step guide to signing up. First of all, open your preferred web browser, or you can simply download the Whatnot app on your iPhone or Android by using App Store or Google Play Store. This is my desktop version. Now, once inside the web browser, tap on the search address bar and navigate to the official Whatnot website. Once in there, you can see there is login and sign up button available at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the sign up. Now inside sign up, you can see you can easily sign up by continuing with a Facebook. So this is the most easiest access, or you can simply type down your full name, your country address, and your verified email and sign up in your Whatnot. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.